Okay guys, here's the rendering for the closet. Our opening size is around 4 feet wide and 81.5 inches tall. If we're going to try to get 2 closet rods in here, I would measure your hanging space and see what you have compared to this. 30 inches here and about 36. Typical is 36. It's a little tight to try to get 2. It's possible to get these cabinets to go taller, but trying to slip them in and go up to the ceiling with this opening being 81.5. Could be a little dicey because it could bind as it slides in on the underside right here. Looking at it from top down, the depth of it is about 23. I mean, it's different. On this side, it's 24 and 5/8. On this side, it's 23.5. We have the ducting here that comes out about 4.5 inches, so this cabinet's offset accordingly. But look at these measurements. 4 drawers. And the opening's 48, and the cabinet's about 46. The hall vanity. We do a drawer on the bottom. Just need to make sure the plumbing is going to clear. And from the floor to the deck is about 12.5. To make sure that the plumbing clears. This line represents cold water, hot water, so that should clear. Same width as what you existing have. And the hall linen cab, I'd have to double check measurements on this one to slide in. Face frame, flush inset doors, a little bit different construction style than what we've done before because of the application. 3 sets of doors, pairs of doors, and these are adjustable shelves. And there's a fixed shelf between each pair of doors. All right, let me know. I know this is what you're looking for. The vanity, let me know if you want that drawer on the bottom. And then with the closet, if that layout will work. That's the height, width, and of course we have that divider in between. So the depth of this one is, oh, that one can actually be, let me change that. I think we can make this one 22 deep, and this one is set at 18 deep. Okay, let me know, guys. Thank you.